Prior to January 2012, California was one of the so-called open carry states. That meant that you could carry an unloaded firearm in public as long as it was open and visible. So basically, I could run around town with an unloaded handgun on a holster on my utility belt, and that was perfectly legal. The police couldn't do anything about it. But in January 2012, the California legislature enacted Penal Code 26350, which basically rescinded the open carry laws.
Walter Stanley wears an unloaded handgun on his hip. He says he was disappointed that the governor signed AB 144 into law, making this very act illegal.
Simple common sense says that criminals do not openly carry firearms when they go to commit crimes.
Governor Brown says he made his decision because it's what California police chiefs wanted.
Under Penal Code Section 26350, it's a crime. It's a misdemeanor to openly carry even an unloaded weapon in public in California. Now keep in mind, it's also illegal to carry a loaded weapon in California, and it's also illegal to carry a concealed weapon in California. These are sort of punished or addressed in other sections of the Penal Code. So basically, the rule of thumb is you cannot carry a weapon, loaded or unloaded, in public unless it's an unloaded weapon that's in a locked container or in the trunk of your car, and assuming that you're otherwise entitled to own and possess a firearm. If you get convicted of this offense, of Penal Code Section 26350, it's a misdemeanor. You could face probation, fines, and potentially up to a year in county jail. But perhaps worst of all is you'll have a criminal record. And prospective employers really see possession of a weapon convictions as a red flag, because they see that and they think, is this person dangerous? Are they liable to bring a gun to the workplace? And it's very easy to deny that job application. So you don't want to be charged with this offense. And if you are charged with this offense presently, you want to do everything you can to keep it off your record and avoid being convicted. The good news is that here at Schaus Law Group, we have a great record of success in defending clients who are accused of possession of a firearm and ultimately helping them to get those charges reduced or dismissed. So if you're in this situation, we invite you to call us, tell us your story, we'll see what we can do for you.